Hello.
Who's talking?
I thought you said you wanted to be serious.
Mm.
Hi. We had a very interesting day. We walked for 6 kilometers
Yes, back and
and
forth.
to a beautiful stream and a beautiful road and
Number two, stream number two.
and guess what? We love Coimbatore. We ain't going, baby.
We were just comparing our day one to today, and I think with each day and with each night, it keeps getting better.
Better and better.
Day one, no bed, no mattress, no inner peace.
Yeah.
Day two, one mattress,
Better food.
little peace. Day three, today, four mattresses, lots of good food, two beautiful streams, lots of peace.
And although from the beginning, we sound to be very materialistic, but honestly, um, no, but these things did matter, where we came from,
Hmm.
and a lot of convenience addition to our lives. But we've realized you don't require most of it, right?
Yeah, we
Except
just
for proper mattress, probably because of the backs.
but we
Um,
realized we don't need half of what we think we need.
yeah,
Like we were really panicking on day one when we didn't have a comfortable bedding, when our bathroom was away, when it was too cold in the nights and we had to wake up
and
early morning. But now it's just it's so nice to just
exactly.
live a subsistence living and to just know that you don't need what you think you do. We did quite fine without the
Absolutely.
mattress. We're happy with whatever toilets we have. At least we have one. And
And our bodies have gotten used to the beautiful cold
yeah,
freezing
like
water.
like mentally and
Yeah.
physically, I think we've adapted and just it's so beautiful here
Yeah.
that we don't have the time to think about whatever problems we have in life or whatever's happening. It's just there's just so much time to spend doing what's actually worthy than think of these petty things.
And we just dance with the kids now and sang.
Do you want
and
to show
have a
them
vibe.
what you did?
Maybe not. But yeah, we had a fantastic time. Good day, good start. And we worked on our field report.
Yes.
Thanks to Mansi's proactiveness. And
Um,
she's proactive. Except for between 5 to 7 in the morning, she is dead.
today we
I
woke
got up
up.
at 5 and went for a jog this morning.
Oh, she did! Oh my god, your face is just so like in the morning we woke up and our eyes opened at the same time.
Synchronization.
And we stared at each other for 5 minutes and then we slept.
Yeah, that's non-verbal communication for you.
We just like said it in our eyes that what's not that I'll wake up.
Yeah.
Even though I think Varun was probably waiting
Yeah,
for
Varun
us. We keep making these plans every night that we're gonna go jogging in the morning because we appreciate the beauty and also the time that and the opportunity that we've been given. But in the morning from 5 to 7 a.m. we're in a different world. So yeah.
Yeah, but sleep's good, yeah. And yeah,
We
so
also met few of the people from the community today. We met Kalia, who we had met on day one. He was the fisherman we met. He's my age and
21.
yeah, and very sweet. People here are sweet. Coming from Delhi, I used to generally my default emotion towards a person used to be of like to sort of maintain a certain sense of precaution, like be cautious because that's what Delhi girls are trained to be. But here, everyone is so sweet. We're not at all no source of danger. They more than welcome you. They support you. They guide you.
Give
They
you more than they have.
yes, they just
This
help
auntie
you.
gave us rice and sugar sweet.
Today is Lakshmi Puja in
Oh, do you
Odisha.
want to show them our feet?
Oh yes, we've got altar on our feet and altar on our feet, and we're gonna show you
I
how
hope
we
our
got
feet are
altar
clean
on our
and very
feet. And I am ready to show altar on my feet, and this is how it looks today. Do hey yeah. Let's do.
That's how it looks like.
Hey, woo! So yes, and so today is Lakshmi Puja, and we went to have tea in this nearby stall, and the Didi was really sweet. She gave us she gave us these rice puddings. Do you still have one of them?
No.
Yeah, she ate them all. Like she gave three. I could just have one bite, and
Yeah,
the
Varun
rest
ate
is
also
in
ate,
her.
huh? Tell me. And
Then we
yeah,
also
we
met
missing anything.
these people. The old man.
Who was adorable. I wanted to kiss him.
It's like so much of our conversation these days is non-verbal. Like
Yeah.
they know we don't understand their language, and we don't expect them to understand us. But just by means of like a smile on our face and actions, we just speak a lot, and
Yeah.
it's a kind of happiness that can't be transcended through words.
As a friend told me, I just recollected. Love comes before language. Sanjay. Love comes before language. Yes, makes sense.
TFI
now.
Sanjay, Wi-Fi
Yeah,
Sanjay.
Wi-Fi.
The Sanjay with pictures
Sanjay.
that it didn't happen. Sanjay, we have lots of pictures for you.
We
Yeah.
do.
And next time when I wash my hair by the stream, I'm gonna get that picture too.
Yeah.
And-
Mansi's skin's been glowing. That's want to know fact. And yeah, a lot of work to be done, and we're excited for the couple of days to come. Very excited. I think we've maintained a very positive outlook.
Do you want to tell them about our envisaged project?
No, I don't think so.
Sorry guys if that hurt you. But it will come up in the coming videos.
coming videos. We've
Yeah.
spoken
And
about
our
it too much
videos
already.
might get a little dragged and boring in the middle because just to let you know out there, not none of this is like practiced or rehearsed. It just comes on the spot, and so we tend to be boring because we're naturally.
Hey, we're not
sometimes
boring, are we?
Sometimes
Maybe.
we all are because we have different tastes. That is.
Yeah, sure.
And what other events happened today?
Yeah.
I thought that was a yeah for a new event that happened.
I'll tell you, Miss Spaghetti right now. What happened? Happened.
Oh, Varun climbed a cave today.
He is a
actually
caveman.
found a cave which must have been like 10 feet above.
15 feet.
15, yeah, more than that.
He's a monkey man.
And it looked like it's really far and really looked inviting, but we couldn't even imagine climbing. It was so steep.
Yeah. But Mansi can do
Varun the man.
it. She is a hidden assassin, trust me. I can tell by the way she walks.
Do you want me to show them how the way you walk?
No.
She walks like. Do you want me to get up?
No.
She walks like this is a bunch of.
I don't walk like that. Oh my god.
That is how she walks today.
These boots are made for walking. Okay, we're straying away.
Yeah. And this is
Um,
a room, by the way. You can get glimpses of it because we changed the camera.
and there's a rat in our room. His name is Chintu. No.
You just named the rat I'm trying to kick out.
You
of
wanna
the room.
kill
He's
Chintu?
playing with my chudis.
He broke them.
One.
Yeah. Ratatouille. And Mansi's boils have gone from her feet. she has some rash on her feet and they're gone now. So that's another
What word did you
update.
use for it?
Boils.
Boils. The
What-
I was a little not pronounced. So it's.
Oh, are you
Yeah.
mad?
Yes, I had
Mansi.
boils on my feet. I think it was an insect bite or something, but I think the stream water cured it because I haven't been my medicines. Forgot to take them
Yeah.
out. Yes. So
Yeah.
anyway, I'm not much of a medicine person anyway. I think if nature creates the problem, it creates the solution, and we should heal naturally.
I hear these things all day. Yeah, words of wisdom.
Yeah.
I hope at the end something wraps up onto me.
We're learning a lot from each other, and
We are. And I think we've crossed 9:12.
yes, so it's
We should stop
time
at
to
9.
say.
9:11.
By the way, every day after our entire day has been done, redundant sentence, we come here especially to make this video so that we can
We
share
don't
it.
talk about the video during the day. It's just we just come and open the laptop. Mansi does.
Yeah, or talk about the video.
Like we
because I want to
forget
remember
about it.
stuff that
No, we forget
wanna
about it
share.
during the day.
Yeah, obviously
Yeah.
we do, but when we want to make it, we just recollect stuff that
impromptu.
we want to share, but we still don't orchestrate it, and that's why we look the way we look and we talk the way we talk, and
Yeah,
you're like us
baby.
the way you do.
Mansi TV.
Bye.